Hello and welcome to this Transload tutorial video. Today I will explain to you how to open scanning for Carton. In this video, I will demonstrate Transload mode number 2, which involves open scanning for cartons. Here are the basic settings for mode number 2. All RNs can be set by API or created manually, and a destination is not required. To create an RN manually, click on Add Receipt. The purpose of this transload is to keep track of the packages from the container. Once you have the RN, go to check-in. When you perform the check-in, the system will automatically create a transload task. For the equipment type, Transload only supports tractor plus container and tractor plus trailer. When you add the receipt, you can search directly by the receipt number or the container number. Assign the task to the assignee and choose the loading dock. Once you finish, the system will generate a tracking number. When you open the Transload app, click on Task, so the assignee will receive the Transload Receive task. Click on New. For RN38, container YMLU006, start the receive task and scan the entry number. Then select a loading dock. The first step is to select the location. You can then scan the packages from the container or trailer. Clicking on the Review tab shows how many packages you have scanned. If you want to remove a package, just click on Delete. Once you finish scanning, click on Close Task and confirm closing. The task will be closed. The next step is to create a load task. Go to Outbound Load and click Add Transload Load. Select the customer and click Create. For mode number 2, it depends on how many destinations you need to ship to. If shipping to one destination, create one load for that destination. If shipping to 2 different destinations, create 2 loads, one for each destination. Once you create a load number, use the load number for check-in. Click Live Load. Follow the same process. Assign to an assignee, select the loading dock, and check in. Returning to the app, the assignee will receive a Transload load task. This is load 24, trailer A123. Start the load task. For this task, scan all the packages that go to your destination. You can also add the seal number, the pro number, and take a photo. If you need to unload anything, click on Unload and scan the package. It will unload from the trailer. In the pallet summary, you can see all the details. Once done, click Complete Load and close the task. The transload mode number 2 has been completed. Returning to the original RN, clicking on the cartons will show how many have been received. Thank you for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please explore our extensive library of tutorial content.